Please hold on.
Also, that's how you just like a window down.
This train is going to JFK. Stopping at Leopard Boulevard for long-term parking, Federal Circle for hotel, shuttle, and rental cars, and all airline terminals. Our next stop will be Leopard Boulevard. We are arriving at Leopard Boulevard for long-term parking. This train is going to JFK Airport, stopping at Federal Circle for hotel, shuttle, and rental cars, and all airline terminals. Stop. Look around and please take all your belongings. This train on track 1 is a Howard Beach train going to JFK Airport. For your safety, please ride elevators located at the end of all AirTrain stations. Please stand clear. The doors are closing. Please hold on. This train is going to JFK Airport, stopping at Federal Circle for hotel, shuttle, and rental cars, and all airline terminals. Our next stop will be Federal Circle. Attention passengers. If you see something, say something. Please use the passenger intercoms on this train to report a problem or ask for assistance. We are arriving at Federal Circle for hotel, shuttle, and rental cars. This is the Howard Beach train, stopping at all airline terminals. Stop. Look around and please take all your belongings.
Every week, every like month type shit. Every week.
1 is a Howard Beach train, stopping at all airline terminals. For your safety, please ride elevators located at the end of all AirTrain stations.
My gosh, it's too easy. The other place is so tough. It's really tough.
Please stand clear. The doors are closing. Please hold on. This is the Howard Beach train, stopping at all airline terminals.
Yeah.
Our next stop will be Terminal 1.
When we did it.
The Port Authority and its private partners are investing $19 billion to completely transform JFK into a world-class gateway. We are building 2 huge new terminals with local shops and restaurants, family-friendly amenities, and iconic public art, while also streamlining our roadway network. We apologize for any inconvenience during the construction period as we work to deliver the modern, curb-to-gate experience you deserve. Attention passengers, please be courteous. Do not sit on luggage racks. Move away from the doors to allow passengers off the train.
It's really amazing that you can't get a receipt right here. No, I think they, if it's in their system, there's no finish now.
We are arriving at Terminal 1. Stop. Look around and please take all your belongings.
Today? No. What's that? No,
This train on track 1 is the Howard Beach train, stopping